Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change music length on Facebook story. So let's begin. Open the Facebook app and go to the story section. Select any of the photo or video that you want to put on as the story and then tap on the music icon which is on the top. Select any music that you want to put on your story now. What you can do is save the story that you have recently prepared. After that, go to the Instagram section and upload the same story. Now, adjust the length of the music on the story on Instagram and then save the story. Now, again, come back to the Facebook, open the story section and select the story that you have recently saved from the Instagram. And in this way, you can change the music length of Facebook story. You have to remember that there is no direct way of changing the music length on Facebook story. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching.